What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today he is eating an apple. I'm just kidding. We're going to a car show. We do that a lot, pretty much every weekend, but we don't really do it every weekend.
Okay, we're going to a different car show this time.
We're not going around to Santa Fe car show.
We're going to
where are we even going? I don't know what it's called.
It's called the Orange County Cars and Coffee. It's the largest, they say, Southern California or something.
But our friend Derek, he recently just got a new C8 Corvette, but he's gonna be there with his new Corvette, so I'm really excited to see that and film that. But we're going to a car show right now. We're gonna leave, and I don't know where we're going. Let's go. Alright everybody, thank you for watching this video. It's the end of it. So, actually, Derek and I were talking and let me go driving in his new C8 Corvette.
Oh, make sure that you like and subscribe down below. Okay, peace out.